Hey everyone, welcome back. And this is the second video in JavaScript, and we are discussing into some of the core building block of writing clean and effective code. In this video, we will explore three essential topics: semicolons, comments, and variables. These might seem simple, but they are fundamental to write well-structured and error-free JavaScript code. So if you want to master the basics and set a solid foundation for your coding journey, keep watching. Create another folder, name as 1. So this is going to our first video. Then inside 1, create one index.html and another one is index.js. Type exclamation mark, enter. And then inside this we can write our JavaScript code. Console.log welcome to JS Rich. Then remembering how actually we link them using script tag. Okay, inside the script tag we have to pass the src. Basically here we have to pass our file name index.js, then open it in the live server. Go to live, remembering the shortcuts Ctrl+Shift+I to open console. Here our output is come, welcome to JS Rich. In your system maybe the live server is not visible, so go to the extension tab and type live server. Simply download it and the option is visible. So go to our topic, that is semicolons. This part is called semicolons. Here is the semicolon. Semicolons are basically used to terminate statements. JavaScript is very forgiving language and will understand many situations, but it is a good practice to add always a semicolon. Let's see. Here I add semicolon. Simply the output is comes. If create another one, console.log, I will come again. I don't have any semicolon put here. Still giving the output. No error is coming. But it is the good practice to have always add a semicolons. Our next discussion point is comments. Let's first understand what is the comment. Actually the comment meaning is we tell interpreter. Interpreter means like a JS engine to ignore those lines. Okay, basically they won't be get executed if they are comments. Okay, this is our index.js file. Okay, then here we write some codes like this is first line, again one line, and this is again another line. So the JavaScript engine actually runs like one by one. First it comes to the first line, then it executed, then go to the second line, it executed, then third. If I commented this line, second line, okay, then the JavaScript engine is skip this line and go to the third one. There are two types of comments in JS. Okay, basically the first one is single line comment. Okay, the single line comment is written in 2 forward slash. Okay, and go to the second, it is multi-line comments. Okay, so it is written in forward slash star and star forward slash. Here we write so the line is executed by JavaScript engine, because if we use a single line comment before to this, okay, like this, then the JavaScript engine is skip those lines. Okay, why need of comments? The first need is we do not want to execute a piece of code while running the script. The second point is then adding comments to specific parts of the code. First we start single line comment. .log Raju. If we save, then the output is clearly visible. If I commented this with 2 forward slash and save, what will happen? The JavaScript engine is skip the line number 4. So let's see one example of multi-line comment. Okay, and then what? Star again and forward slash. In between, what we write is considered as also comments. Variables in JS. So let's imagine we have a storage box in our kitchen, and we can store different items. We can label the boxes with a name, so we can easily identify what inside the box. Similarly, in the JS, the variables are used for storing the values. So let an example of the box. The box name as x. The value to the box is 25. So here x is the name of the variable and 25 refer to the value to the variables. Variables are like containers, so for storing the data. So let an example of first name equal to Raju. Okay. Age of the Raju is 12, and the village of the Raju is Dholakpur. The rules for the variable name. The first one is variables starts with letter, underscore and sign, not allow digits. Example of first name Bhim, so underscore, last name Chota Bhim. Dollar, village of the Bhim is same Dholakpur. Then the digit is not allowed. 3 last name equal to something is not allowed in JS. Okay, this can show us a syntax error. This format is not allowed in JS. Going to the next point, trying to give some descriptive name. Sometimes hold an age, do not call it x. So whether we can give as age. So let example x is 23, and which is the value of an age. So later in some days we can reviewing our code, and it is difficult to understand. It is the purpose of the x is here. If we write age is 23, then it is easy to identify. Then moving to our third point, which means variables cannot contain space. First name space Raju, and this is not allowed. Syntax error, but instead of space we can add a underscore. This is perfectly correct. Moving to the fourth point, and that is the reserved keywords are not allowed for using as any identifier. So what does it mean? It reserved keyword means these are the words have specific meanings in JS. So these words are part of the syntax for JS, so we cannot use as any kind of identifier. So in JS, so there are lots of the. To our next point 5, that is case sensitive. Case sensitive means, so capital B Bhim and small b Bhim, those are different. This Bhim refer to some other value and this Bhim refer to some other value. First naming rule is variable starts with letter. First name Raju. Let we console the first name, and then the output is visible. Means that is correct. Second one is underscore. Underscore before the first name too, and let console the second one. Here the output is visible. Starts with dollar. So let dollar first name Chutki. Let console first name starts with dollar. Yes, this is also allow. Starting with a digit, not allow. If we console them, then it show the syntax error. Variables cannot contain any kind of space. Last space name Raju. It also show the syntax error. So instead of on space, we can add a underscore, and it is allowed. So our output is visible. So the fourth point is reserved keywords are not allowed. the break is equal to 2025 and console them break, and it shows the syntax error unexpected token. Okay, because break has some other meanings in JS. Fifth point is case sensitive. Okay, let's see. Capital B beam is equal to 23 and small b beam is equal to 24. Let's try to console. The small b refer to 24 and the capital B refer to 23. So here we can identify that the case sensitive is also matter. And that's a wrap of the video. We have covered semicolons, comments and variables, and the fundamentals tool every JavaScript developer should understand. I hope you found this video helpful and feel more confident using this concept in your code. If you enjoy this content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more JavaScript tutorials coming your way. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or feedback in the comment below. Happy coding, and I will see you in the next video.